I'm a candidate for moderator because I am convinced that this church of my parents, this church of my children, faces greater challenges and has greater needs than it has ever known, and you and I are simply called to respond.
William H. Bill Wilson was an oil and gas geologist and a ruling elder at First Presbyterian Church in McAllen, Texas, a UPC-USA church prior to 1983. Bill's experiences at the McAllen Church and at his PCUS-affiliated childhood congregation in Oklahoma, United Presbyterian Church in McAllister, Oklahoma, enhanced his candidacy for 1985 GA Moderator of the PCUSA, reunited just 2 years before. Bill grew up close to the Mexican border and supported the sanctuary movement for political refugees from Central and South America. He urged the PCUSA to embrace our neighbors who speak another tongue. His moderator travel included visits to congregations that were considering leaving the PCUSA under the Article 13 reunion provision. Bill helped persuade the majority to remain. He spoke in over 125 cities and towns before passing the gavel to Ben Weir in 1986. Of those whirlwind days moderating plenary sessions at the 1985 GA, Bill joked in his moderator memoirs that he recollected very little because it was presented with much fanfare. He said, "I do remember the assembly adopted the official seal of our reunited church."